What's up everyone, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like these. Now this is the EE 1/8 scale licensed Land Rover Defender. It's from EE, it's hard body, it's massive, it's got really cool details and probably the best value crawler out there, especially with this highly detailed hard body. Now the thing that sets this apart obviously is all the detail that you get, everything opens and stuff like that, and it's also a great price, but also the size. It's huge, it's massive. But in this video I'm not talking about this orange one. If you haven't seen this one, I don't know where you've been. I have converted this one into a nitro 4-stroke 2-cylinder Toy-An motor. Check out some links, I might leave a card up there as well so you can go check it out. But it is about this new one here. This is a new and updated model. It also comes in this nice grey and silver scheme, which I really like, but it has some key features that are different than this guy. Now first up, you'd notice the bumper bar is different. Here is the new one. The old one, this winch is kind of moulded in and doesn't have the shackles here. This one does, as you can see, and the good thing about it, this winch is removable, so you can take it out and actually put a real one in there, and it's got these metal toe shackles here as well. So if I flip it underneath so you can have a look, you can just remove it and pretty easily put a real winch in there if you want. The axles are shorter as well, so they don't stick out as much. They are shorter, I believe, because they look really cool, and also they have ball bearings at the front as well, which I believe the older one didn't. The shocks have been changed, I do believe. They are a little bit softer, so new softer shock springs as well. So I didn't really have an issue with the older model, but you might be thinking these wheels and tyres look different. They are from an axial car, so don't worry about them, but this is what you get when you actually purchase this kit. One of the most important ones for me, obviously for durability, is metal drive shafts. If I flip it on its roof, you can see that the drive shafts are metal now. I can't show you with the old one because it's all upgraded, but everything under here is metal. So nice metal telescopic drive shafts, well, front and rear. So that is a really welcome upgrade as well. So I'm glad they went down this route. I did have an issue with my orange one when I first got it. I did break the yoke, I believe, on the front, so I'm glad they've actually listened to the consumer and changed them to metal. I do believe the electronics are the same. It is a splash roof receiver, so I don't want to be running deep through water. A bit of water here and there will be no problem. Now the wheels and tyres are the same, just different colour. This outer face is silver, the other one was black, I do believe, and it is metal. They are beadlock. In my opinion, the compound's just a little bit too soft. I do wish they looked a little bit more scale. In saying that, they don't look too bad. I do like them, but some other options will be nice to see in the future. So there are 8 screws that hold that body onto this chassis. There is a 21 kilo high torque steering servo just there, or underneath where you can just see it up here, and the on and off switch is just double-sided tape to the top of it. So it's chassis mounted design. You have your 2-in-1 ESC and receiver, your shifting servo for high and low, and your brushed motor there as well. So there is your 2-speed transmission. Everything looks fairly simple. Your slipper clutch as well, but everything is really laid out. That's why I do really like these for the 4-stroke conversions, because there's just so much room, and especially once you get rid of this body here, it's just heaps and heaps of room to do whatever you like, and that's why it's a good candidate. But yeah, really nice. If you want to see a driving video of this, or the orange one, go check out my other videos. It's the same thing pretty much, but I think I might put another motor in this. What are your guys' suggestions? Now they're the key features, obviously the new colour as well. One thing I really liked is the door locks are magnetic. See that? They close themselves kind of much. There we go. Whereas the old ones were like on a little, I don't know what you would call them, just like a little clutch kind of system where it just clamped down, and it wasn't the easiest to open and close all the time, but now it is, no issues there, so happy with that. But that's about it. How cool does it look? And lastly, before I end this quick video, people want to say, oh, how big is it compared? Well, here is a normal 1/10 scale, pretty much the same type of as a SCX10 or something like that. So 1/10 scale to 1/8 scale, so the wheelbases are lined up at the back, so that gives you a good indication how actual big it is. So pretty damn sweet. If you're interested, links are down below. Any questions, leave them down below. I like to read them and comment as much as I can. But any questions, let me know, guys. If you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe. And next time you see this, I might have another Toy-Yan 4-stroke in there. Maybe even the 4-cylinder, the straight 4, because I think it might fit. I think it comes probably a little bit longer. Probably come to that to the firewall, but we might make that happen. Let me know what you guys think. Give me some suggestions what I should do with this grey one here. Cheers, guys.